Hello guys, welcome to the Shantari where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. You have a lot to gain in this channel. Do not forget to send me thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't lose anything in this channel. To my returning viewer, thank you very much. Thank you for sticking to this channel. I love you all. 90% of everyone eating mango fruit always throw away the seed after eating. Listen to this video, make sure you watch it to the end so that you will know what mango seed can do for you. In that way, you will never throw away your mango seed anymore. So, mango seed is very good for the management of diabetes, okay? It lowers cholesterol level, it lowers high blood sugar, it reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and hypertension. Okay, mango seed also is good for diarrhea, dandruff in the hair, and skin. So if you want to have a healthy skin, you need mango seed. All right. So now the cocoa of them all is that if you are obese and you want to reduce that obesity, mango seed is what you need. All right. So after eating the whole of your mango, the seed inside, crack it open, then you have something like this. This is what you are going to find inside. So after getting this, you can cut it into little pieces, then sun dry it. After sun drying it, blend it into powder. You make it as tea morning and evening. That is for diabetes, high blood sugar, cholesterol level, diarrhea, okay, and then obesity. For the obesity, you have to take longer. If every other person can take for 7 to 14 days, anyone that is obese, you need to take more than a month, all right? So for dandruff and skin, you need to make a paste of this mango fruit. Make a paste of it, then you can use it to wash your hair. Then you can also apply it on the skin. That is if you want to have a healthy skin. So this is mango seed. It is very healthy, good for the body. Try it. Come back with your testimony. Thank you all for viewing my video. Please always share this video so that a lot of people can also benefit from it. Okay. This is it. Very good. Go and try it out.